grade 8s and 9s. Quickly do the calculations visible on your screen, pause the video, and then we will mark it in just a couple of minutes. Let's mark the calculations. -3 minus 4 plus 1. What is the answer? What did you get? -3 minus 4 is -7. -7 plus 1 is -6. Number 2. 2 squared minus 5 plus -3. Okay, let's work this one out. 2 squared is 4. -5 minus 5. And now I have a positive, and that bracket means times. So a positive times a negative is a negative. So it's -3. And 4 minus 5 minus 3 is -4. Number 3. -2 minus 2 cubed. What can we do here? Start off by doing the cube. Maybe write it out, expand it a bit. So it's -2, and then this part, -2, -2, -2. And now you apply the rules. Multiply the signs of the integers and then the values. So a negative times a negative is a positive. A positive times a negative is a negative. A negative times a negative is a positive. Or hopefully you realize that if you have an even number of negative signs, your answer will be positive. If you have an uneven number of negative signs, your answer will be negative. 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 is 16. Again, you don't have to write that plus. Number 4. The cube root of -8. What do you think is the answer? Okay, let's have a look. The cube root of -2 cubed. And the cube root and the cube will cancel out, so your answer will be -2. Number 5. -18 plus -3 plus 6 plus -2. How are we going to do this calculation? Start here. Negative times a negative is a positive. Positive 18. Plus times a negative is a negative. -3. Plus 6. A plus times a negative is a -2. So let's have a look. 18 minus 3, 15. 15 plus 6, 21, and 21 minus 2, 19. Number 6. The square root of -3 times 2 squared times -2 minus 2 cubed. This one might be a bit hectic. What did you do? Let's have a look at these. Let's start with the square. So I have the square root of -3, -3. 2 square is 4. So -3 times 4 times -2. And then what is -2 cubed? It's -8. Okay, so I have a negative times a negative is a positive. 3 times 4 is 12 times 2 is 24 minus 8. So I will have the square root of 16, and that will give me an answer of 4. Did you get it? I hope so. Number 7. You need to fill in now bigger or smaller than. So -234, and I want it in terms of -230. Okay, guys, so compare this. Which one is bigger, which one is smaller? What did you get? Hopefully that negative 230 is bigger than negative 234. Last calculation. Negative 4 squared divided by 8. And you need to put in bigger or smaller than minus 4 squared divided by 16. Now here you need to work out a bit before you can put in your inequality sign. So start there. You need to do the square first. So that will become a positive 16. The negative there stays there. And this one is 8. And then on that side I have a negative. Then 4 squared will be 16 divided by 16. Okay, so negative 16 divided by 8. Negative divided by positive will give me an answer of negative. 16 divided by 8 is 2. Here, minus 16 divided by that is negative 1. So which one is bigger? The negative 1 is bigger, so there will be my inequality sign. I hope that you understand it and that you feel comfortable in doing these calculations. Until next time, goodbye.